it does. It seems kind of slow moving. 1983, 84, MTV changed the way we film things. 2 seconds is kind of a long shot now. It's 1 second, half a second, things happening, cars exploding, running into a room, clear, 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 and they run out. Some set decorator had to create a whole set for McGarrett to run into and say clear and run out of the set. And so you have a lot more activity, you have a lot more action, and that's what people want. And so that has changed. My working relationship, I'm actually the first person from Hawaii to get into the Art Directors Guild, working at a level that I would now tell the set decorator what I wanted to see, what my vision was. When I started, it was my vision, but it's changed. The responsibility has changed, the amount of detail has changed, high definition TV, you're seeing labels on things, clearance. I could hang any picture I wanted on a set, and now unless you can clear that picture, meaning get the person who has the rights to it, which is not you, just because you own the picture doesn't mean you have the rights to it. And if you don't have the rights or you can't get the rights, you can't hang the picture. So it adds a lot more. There are now full-time clearance people as part of the crew who do nothing but clear images or clear backgrounds, and so that they don't get sued. And so there's a whole world of things that we didn't even think about back then. And so yeah, it's changed quite a bit.
When you mentioned casually that you had if you had an opportunity to see an actor at work or get to talk to them a minute, did you ever have an opportunity to bring someone onto a set in a background or something like that?
Yeah, my sister happened to be visiting me, and it was her birthday, and we were filming a big scene with Sawyer on Lost, and it was at Bob's Big Boy that we had made into a Iowa diner. And I talked to the person who places the extras. She was a good friend of mine, a second AD. And she put my sister in a location that she was guaranteed to be seen a lot. And even that, I told her, I said, don't be telling everybody you're going to be on camera, because a lot of times, you get cut. Well, she wasn't cut. She was there, and she was right next to Josh Holloway, and she had a great time. It was a very memorable birthday. And more people saw her that day than probably saw Olivia on the stage in his entire career. I mean, yes, that show was hundreds of millions of people all over the world. So
I remember once, since the Hawaii Pacific University, it's on Fort Street Mall, it's downtown campus, and I went into class for a couple of hours, and I saw them setting up the street for a shot. And when I came back outside, it was Bangkok.
Right.
With all the signs.
I remember that.
In Thai.
Yeah.
And I think you've mentioned this to me earlier, the idea of wrapping the bottoms of the palm trees so they look like a walnut or.
Oh yeah, there actually is more the art department than set decorating, but they have what they call skins that they can put over things to make them into other things. And of course you're limited as to how high that skin is that you can actually see, but yeah, we downtown Hawaii, it was London, it's been, I mean, I can't even think of all the locations. Big Ben chiming over Fort Street on another episode. It was fun to see what they would add to what we had already done. But yeah, we turned a lot of places into other things, and that's part of what art direction does. Is if you were to ask me what is art direction, it's basically everything you see on the screen, except for the actor. It's what's in the room, what's behind them, what they interact with, the doors they open, and of course, you're not officially watching that, but it interacts with the actor, and the